postman Pat and his black and white cat. Early in the morning, just as day is dawning, he picks up all the post bags in his van.
Well, Jess, it's fucking payday at last. I'm out tonight. I'll be drinking and shagging all the fucking women in the village. There won't be a woman that's fucking safe. You'll read it in the paper tomorrow. Pat the postman shags the fucking lot. Lucky fuckers. Dirty Welsh fucking bastard. You need to lock me fucking glasses and me fucking hat off there. I'll have that twat tonight if he's out in the fucking town. I'll tell you that, Jet. Now, who the fuck's this letter for? Oh, it's fucking Ted over the fucking road. Yeah, Ted, there's a fucking letter here for you. Oh, hiya, Pat. I haven't seen you for some time. How have you been? Yeah, lucky to see me at all. Some mad twat Welshman on the bike nearly fucking killed me, the cunt.
Yeah, I know what you mean, Pat. Hi, Pat. We tracked it t'other day. On t'other side of the wall there. It's only there 10 minutes, and somebody bloody belted it. Drove past and hit it. Broke all my bloody light. I don't know what to do anymore. Look at me light. It's all bloody broken, Pat. That'll cost me £10 to get fixed now, Pat. Well, I'm out in the town tonight, Ted. If I see the Welsh twat, he won't be riding his fucking bike for a while. Well, Ted, I must get the rest of these twatting fucking letters delivered. I'm running late. And don't worry, if the Welsh bastard's out tonight, he's brown fucking bread. Catch you again, pal. Yeah, thanks, Pat. Cheers, mate.
Hi, darling, where have you been all me fucking life? Fancy a night out with a sex fucking mad postman tonight? Or what?
Oh, but I'm a married woman, Pat. What if my husband finds out? I've heard you're very good in bed, though, Pat. I've heard you have a big one.
He won't fucking find out.
Okay, Pat. What time do you want to pick me up at, then? 8 o'clock?
Okay, it's a fucking deal. Be there.
One morning, Miss Hubbard, who was always up bright and early, was surprised to see Pat's van still outside his house. Goodness me, Pat should be away by now. I wonder what's wrong. Pat, are you there? Pat! Pat! Gooey! You! Pat, it's late!
You just fucking grabbed the fucking piss pot over. Who the fuck is it? Who the fuck's fucking shouting? Oh, it's you stupid fucking cow. The fucking hell do you want this time in the morning, you twat? I'll throw this fucking clock at you if you don't fuck off. Fuck off, you fucking twat. Piss off. Get away my fucking home. Oh, me fucking head's fucking aching. Yeah, where's that silly fucking cow now? I'll smack her right in the fucking gob. Mouthy fucking cow. She's fucked off now. Where's me fucking cap? Oh, I've left it in the fucking house. Get up me fucking way, you four-legged twat. I'm fucking late. Well, oh, you dozy twat. Get my cunting cap off your fucking head now. You twat. Come on, we're fucking late. We've got to get down that fucking post office and pick up some fucking parcels. We're fucking running really late. Listen, any more fucking getting under my feet today and I'll fucking kick it out the crack of your fucking arse, you twat. Right, worry. You stay in the fucking van. Wait up, I've dropped me fucking cap now, you twat. Oh, me fucking back! Who the fuck's doing this to me? You better not be you, you four-legged bastard.
Oh, good morning, Pat. I wonder if you could help me put some sticky tape on this parcel, please. If I could just stick your finger there, Pat, that would be great help to me, thank you.
Go on then, Granny, but I'm running fucking late. Wait up. What's me fucking cap? You've got tape all over it. Give me your fucking ear, you see that old bitch. Fucking sake. Here. Fucking hell. How much fucking tape do you need? Fucking, God, it's fucking stuck all over me fingers. Here, fucking pull that off. Fucking hell.
Oh, I must have unraveled too much tape, Ted. I'm sorry. Oh, let me see now.
Tell you what, Granny, you won't put it in the fucking old folks' home. You got it on your fucking nose everywhere, you silly cunt. Anyway, I'm fucking off now here. Get me fucking hat. Right, what letters are there? Parcels and fucking letters. Right, let me see. Give me that here. Give me them. Right, fucking letters. Right, I'm fucking off. I got a fucking hangover from last night. I don't know the fucking... Right, where's me fucking van? Where have I parked that? Oh, there it is. Fucking hell. What a fucking day. Last time I go on the fucking drink and get up early in the fucking morning. Yeah, I feel rough today, Jess. No more fucking drink for me for a fucking while. I got a head like fucking Birkenhead and a fucking throat like a vulture's fucking crutch. Fuck me. We hope you sit in the van here now, Jess, while I deliver this bloody parcel. Wait up, there's a parcel here for you, pal. Hey, can you fucking hear me? Are you fucking deaf or what? Hey, I said there's a fucking parcel. Hey, you deaf bastard, can you fucking hear me? Parcel here for you.
Oh, hello, Pat. I was just fixing the fence. Parcel for me? What is it?
How the fuck should I know, you silly twat, you? Oh, you dropped it over the fucking floor now. Clumsy cunt.
Oh, it's gone all over the place. It's rolled all over. What was in the parcel? Let me see, what's here?
Here up, I'll get over and fucking look for it with you. Fuck's sake. What the fucking hell here? Let me see.
What's this?
Fucking sheep shit, you silly twat.
Dum-de-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Dum-de-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Oh-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Hiya, Pat. Fuck me, it's fucking Einstein. We're looking for the fucking stuff that was in it.
I've got a metal detector that'll find it. I'll go and get it for you, Pat.
Oh, thanks, Pete.
Yeah, thanks fucking Einstein. Silly twat. Here, let's have a fucking look. Here, look, a fucking nail. Look over you fucking found.
Oh, what's this?
More fucking sheep shit by the look of it. Fucking hell, I don't know. Oh, here he is now, fucking Einstein. Look what he's got. He's got a fucking magnet. Look at this silly twat. Fucking hell. Come on, Einstein. Get over here, son.